This video is sponsored by Egg Cetera Custom Coops. I cannot wait to give you guys a tour of the new chicken church. Look at this sign that they custom made for me. Let's start off with the door. I asked for a split door with the top that could ventilate the rest of the coop. And if we open up this bottom latch, it opens up the whole door. There's the inside of the coop, my happy chickens, with 3 roosting bars and the 3 brooding boxes. Let's close this up. And if you come around to the right side, here's the brooding box. There's a door on the outside that we can open for easy access to the eggs. And at the same height on the other side, I have a custom-made feeder box that can hold up to 100 pounds of pellets. It's about 2 big bags of chicken feed. I can just pour it in there and they can eat it out of the bottom. I'll show you that here in just a second. Here is the planter box I asked for, so I could plant flowers and herbs that'll keep away some of the pests. There's some flowers growing there. If we go into our coop, we put in a stick swing for the chickens to jump and swing on. There are stairs that lead up to a little hatch so they can go into their coop at night. There's Rudy, a rooster, and then here at the bottom is where they can eat from that custom feeder. And I think it came out perfect.
Hey, Egg Cetera team. I just wanted to send a massive thank you for the incredible chicken church you built for my flock. It's absolutely perfect. The design is beautiful and the craftsmanship is top-notch. My chickens are already obsessed with their new home. I really appreciate your attention to detail and how you customized the coop to fit exactly what I needed. You guys truly went above and beyond. I'll be sure to recommend Egg Cetera Custom Coops to all of my friends and fellow chicken enthusiasts. Thank you again.